Jabong India Online Fashion Week, as the name suggests, is India's first ever fashion week that has gone online. The revolutionary concept aims at bringing fashion right to your doorstep. So now you don't have to miss out on trends anymore because they're just a click away. So let's now talk to people and find out what they have to say about this fantastic concept. What do you think is the main difference between other fashion weeks and, in particular, Jabong India Online Fashion Week?
Well, I think it's shoppable. You can do that immediately. Jabong is going to be the first one to actually get this out there, and you can watch the shows, click on, and buy your garment there and then.
Well, this is a new concept. I haven't ever heard about it like anywhere in the world. Not only photographers, also the designers, the makeup artists, the models, everything actually. So it's a great platform, I think.
You know, when Jabong approached me for this concept, and I've been associated with some fashion weeks, but they've been, some of India's biggest fashion weeks. But this I thought was a brilliant concept. This is the only fashion week which is actually a B2C.
Online is the way forward. There is simply, and launching an India Online Fashion Week is an answer to that desire of youngsters to see, participate, be interactive with the world of fashion.
I think it's wonderful. Now I can see things are changing, and especially the online market.
I want to really congratulate Jabong for doing this. This is a unique concept.
The best thing is that you can connect with the people directly and they can buy it. You don't have to have the retail space.
Do you think India's ready for such a concept?
I think India is more than ready. India actually does not have the time anymore to go from shop to shop.
When I was invited as a jury, I was a little taken aback, but I think this is great for India because 99.9% of the next generation and is on the net buying something.
Your message now to Jabong and their online effort that they're doing that's pretty much first ever for its online fashion week.
I think good luck to Jabong, and I think it's a fantastic platform for the industry as a whole. I think it can only move forward from here.